Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à French Lessons by Harshal Soni. Okay, so this is the last part that I'm talking about. What time is it? Okay, I'm not going to get you more bored. Okay, so actually in French they are using the format of 24 hours clock. They are not using the format of 12 hours clock. As you know that 1 o'clock, that means we are getting confused whether you are talking about 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. But they have set their one format that if you are talking about 1 o'clock, that means you are saying it is 1 a.m. As you know that after 12 o'clock, once we complete the first cycle, after that we are using 1 p.m. but they are using it as 13. They are not using as 1 p.m. How they are using the clock? They are saying it as 13, not the 1 p.m. So, but if you are getting problem in using the 24 hours clock, then I have written here the way how you can understand that when the time is AM and when the time is PM actually you are talking about. So, let's get into the video. If I am saying it is 6 AM, obviously from AM we are understanding that we are talking about the morning 6. We have no confusion. They already understand if you say only 6 or il est 6 heures. If you are saying il est 6 heures, so they have idea that you are actually talking about morning 6 only. They have no confusion. But for us understanding, we'll write it du matin. If you want to write AM, so instead of AM, we are using here du matin. That is morning time. Till 12 p.m. we write this du matin. Il est 6 heures du matin, that means you are talking about morning 6 a.m. Okay. Then, for example, if I have 9 or 5 minutes. So, il est 9h05 du matin. That means you are talking about morning 5 a.m. Okay. Now, if I am saying it is 2 p.m. If I am saying it is 2 hours and 10 minutes in afternoon. So, you have to mention here il est 2 heures. Il est 2h10 de l'après-midi. That means noon. Noon time we are using from 12 to 6 p.m. approx. Okay. Il est 2h10 de l'après-midi. That you have to mention instead of p.m. Okay. If I am saying it is 5:15 p.m. Il est 5h15 or you can say il est 5h15. You remember for 15 it's a quarter part. We are saying quart, a quart. This time plus. So a quart de l'après-midi you have to mention here. Now if I am talking about 6:20 p.m. From 6 p.m. onwards we are using evening time. We are not using here night. We only write soir, that is evening. You remember I have told you in my salutation video. 6:20 p.m. is il est 6h20 du soir. That means you are talking about evening 6:20. Okay. If I am saying it is 10:30 p.m. il est 10h30 or what we call 30 minutes et demi. Il est 10h30 or you can say il est 10h30 du soir. Okay. This is the way of writing instead of AM, PM if you want to use the 12 hours clock. Otherwise, the French people actually use this format of writing. They are separating the time by small h, writing between hours and minutes. No need to write minute after the minute number. You just have to separate them by small h. That means this number, this 7 is showing the hours and this 15 is showing the minutes. If I am saying it is il est 7h15, that means I am talking about morning 7:15. They understood it. Okay. If I am saying these 9h10, if I am saying it is these 9h10, that means I am talking about evening 5:10. Evening 5:10. Yeah, you can say afternoon 5:10, that is 5:10 p.m. I am talking about. Okay, they are using this format of writing time. They are not using this format, but if you are comfortable with this one, so you have to mention du matin for morning time, de l'après-midi till 6 p.m. and du soir 6 p.m. onwards. Okay, so this is about the time. If you have any doubt, Just put your comment in my comment box. Merci beaucoup, à bientôt.